Yeah, I'm a Clara. Okay.
Clara.
Hello, hi.
Hello, welcome.
Yes.
Okay. Can you read this, please?
Okay. Body it. Sorry. We were the first company to set up business in China, so we have a head start over our competitors.
Ooh, so what is that? No, first one, which one do you think? Is it neck or head?
Neck.
Head.
Head.
But head start. Now, what does that mean? If you have a head start, what does that mean?
Oh, we head start our account.
What do you think?
I think like leading.
Yeah. So how about you? So who do you have a head start over?
Head start over.
Yeah, what do you think?
Head.
No, so who are you ahead of?
Head up.
So who do you have? If you have a head start, maybe it means one person started before, so maybe they know more information. So who do you, yeah? So let's say, for example, do you have a brother or sister?
Yes.
Is it older or younger?
Younger.
Okay. So who speaks better English? You or them?
Yes, I.
Oh, okay. So you have a head start over your. So is it a brother or sister?
Yes, I have brother and sister. Yes.
Oh, so they're both younger?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. You could say that you have a head start over your brother and sister in terms of speaking English.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. So now, can you choose somebody?
Yes. I'll choose Cherry Tune. Yes.
Cherry, are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
Now it looks like I'm going to have to hand/foot the bill for the repair.
Ooh, so what do you think? Is it hand or foot?
Hand.
Hand the bill. Foot the bill.
Foot.
Now, what does that mean? Foot the bill.
I have to pay for it.
Yes. So how about when you go out to eat with your friends? Do you foot the bill? Or no?
We suddenly broken some items of the restaurant.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So now, can you choose somebody?
Yeah. Augusta.
So Augustus?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He bought the cottage with something to doing it up and selling it at a later date. With a heart to doing it up.
With an eye. So now, what does that mean? With an eye. With an eye for doing something.
To look it.
I'm sorry,
to
what?
Check it clearly. Check it clearly.
Well, this means when he said he bought the cottage with an eye to do it up and selling it later, this means like your future plans. So this is something you want to do in the future. Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So now,
Yeah.
can you choose somebody?
I chose Su Sang Su.
Su Sung Su. Can you read this?
Yes. He had always said yes, but this time he was going to put his something down.
Uh-oh.
His foot down.
Yes. Now, what does that mean? Put your foot down.
Something like he is going to say no.
Okay. All right.
He is
So
going to refuse.
So is that something you always do? Do you always put your foot down? Tell other people?
Yeah.
No. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see. All right. So now,
Refusing with force.
okay. Now, can you choose somebody?
Yes, I would like to choose Zen Yetu.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay, it was happening right under my eyes or nose, and I didn't realize it. I feel so stupid.
Uh-oh. What's this? Right under my what?
It was happening right under. I didn't realize it's stupid. It's I. Maybe I.
I? Is that your final answer?
Yeah, it's my final answer.
Nose.
No,
Yeah, nose.
I make it at this mistake 2 times.
It's okay. It's
With
okay.
that with the same meanings.
Yes, yes, with the
My
nose.
first mistake with noise.
So
The
now,
nose. The second mistake is nose. Yeah.
what does this mean? Right under my nose. Do you know what this means?
It's like something is happening in front of me, or yeah.
Yeah, yeah, very good, very good. Right under my nose. Okay, so next one. Oh, can you choose somebody? No, maybe could be your network. How about I'll choose somebody? How about Clara? Clara, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, can you read this?
Yes. The little girl was obviously very upset as she was sitting on the step crying her eyes out.
Eyes out. Yes. So now, do you remember when was the last time you were crying your eyes out? Do you remember?
Yeah. Yes, I remember.
So what happened?
Last 2 days ago, now I'm living very far from my hometown, and I'm studying for my academic journey. So last 2 days ago, I called my parents, and I miss them very much. That's why I I cry a little bit, but not very heavy.
Okay. Well, I remember me the last time I cried. I don't cry that much, but I cried my eyes out when this is about 4 years ago when my dog, my young dog died. So I was crying my eyes out. But yeah. Okay. All right. So now, Clara, can you choose somebody?
Yes, I would like to choose Tathanwe.
Okay.
Thank you. We ought to handle at home. It's late and I'm working early tomorrow. We ought to hand home.
Hand home?
Yes.
Head home. Now, what does that mean? Head home.
Oh, at home. When to bed? When to go home early?
Yeah. Oh no, not just
When
early.
to go bed?
Yeah, it just means go home. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Good. So how about you? Usually every day, when do you head home?
My work and home are working together, so
Oh.
I have no headphone.
Oh, you're always at home. Yeah, usually I head home about maybe about 7:30 at night. Yeah, but okay.
Yes, thank you.
All right. So now can you choose somebody?
Yes. Okay, Honey. Yes, Honey. I pay in maybe Honey.
Honey.
H-O-N-E-Y.
Honey, are you
Yes.
there? Honey, hello. Okay, maybe Honey not here. How about let's see somebody else here. How about Su Song Su?
Yes.
Can you read this?
Why do you always have to stick your something into other people's affair? Stick your nose.
Yes. Okay. So now what does that mean? Stick your nose in. What does that mean?
Something like you go and mess up with the thing that not related to you, like other people affair.
Okay. So is that something you like to do?
Not really. That is what I dislike about what other people do.
Okay, I see. Okay. All right. So then what do you do if other people try to stick your nose into your business? What do you say or do?
Just challenge them, like if you're going to stick your nose about my affair, just come and tell me directly, because I am the one who can fix it. If you tell behind me, I can fix it. So just tell in front of me and I will fix for you.
Okay. And we call that, if somebody talks about you that you don't know, we call that behind my back. So they're talking about me behind my back. Okay. All right, good. And I think this may be the last one. So now can you choose somebody?
August Muller.
So Augustus, are you there?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So I don't think he's really determined. In the end, he'll get cold something and cancel the whole thing.
Ooh, so what are you saying? Cold what?
Cold feet.
Yes, cold feet. Now, what does that mean, cold feet?
It's mean like he was he's not sure about what he going to do, something like
A little bit more than that. Maybe he's scared.
yeah, kind
Yeah,
of.
maybe and then he'll say, "Oh, yes, I'm gonna go." But if you get cold feet, you say, "Oh, no, maybe I don't go." So how about you, Augustus? When do you get cold feet?
Last time I don't have driver license, so in front of my friend I said I dare to drive, but finally I'm not there to drive when they asked me to drive for that.
All right.
So I cold feet at the time.
Oh, you got cold feet. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, it looks like we're finished for today. All right. And I hope you guys enjoyed this short little speaking session. All right. So yeah. But yeah, maybe next week you guys want to invite some more of your friends. I think if there's more people, it's more fun for everybody. But please, invite your friends, and I will see you guys next week. Okay.
Yeah, see you next week.
Okay. All right. So bye bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you,
Bye-bye.
sir. Have a good day.
See you, sir. Thank you.